Hi guys!
Hi guys, welcome to Insane Indie Artists of India, where we discuss cool indie artists that we have found through our journey through life, and we present them to you so that you can keep them as well.
Let's start with the topic of what is an indie artist.
I think people know what an indie artist is.
I didn't. I used to think that means indigenous artist, and then I used to
No.
tell that. I used to convince people. Then I found out it's independent.
What independently means separate from any other label or entity,
Yeah.
unrelated to Bollywood / big labels like
T-Series.
Z Music. Today my boy Lifafa is the topic.
Yes.
I love this guy. I love this guy so much.
Gold.
Why?
I feel like he has a very raw and experimental feel to it.
What
It's
would you
so good.
What would you classify music as genre-wise?
Experimental for sure.
Experimental, electronic, sample heavy,
Sample heavy, yes, definitely.
little broody, little cool, little introspective.
Yeah, very-
So what do you like the most about Apna Bhai?
I think it's just every song has a new taste. It's nothing like anything else I've heard. Like Jago kuch alag hai, Candy kuch alag hai, Nikamma is
Yeah.
my personal favorite.
But also there is whenever you do hear his music, it's very easy to find out that it's Lifafa.
Yeah,
Like it has a
that's
very distinct feel to it.
yeah. He has his signature.
By the way, he has a band called Beta Cat Recording Co. Usme he has an album called Beta. That is one of my favorite albums of all time. By the way. If you have to introduce somebody to Lifafa, what would you make them hear first?
I would definitely go for a proud favorite Jago.
Jago? Really?
Yes,
I
because
would
feel
go for
like
Nikamma, dude.
Jago has been on reels a lot.
Huh?
Yeah,
No,
this
that's
sound.
mainly me.
No.
That's me.
No.
No, show me one other
A lot
reel.
of people. A lot of people
One,
have.
please show me one other reel. It's
Also,
okay.
yeah.
बाद में दिखा दे.
हाँ, but
Chaku Chodiya. Let's go for that.
Okay.
Let him cook. Let him cook.
Just so much to wonder.
going on as well.
Yeah.
As soon as I heard this guy's music, I was like, who is this? Who is this guy?
Apart from who is he, I also think about what is this? Like there's just so much to think about. Ki I can feel myself getting engaged with the music.
Yeah.
Like I'm actually wondering about each part of the music.
Correct.
Like, track that's
Correct.
playing. I really like that vibe. I really
Yeah.
I dig that.
Yeah, I think he's got a very, very lovely, unique sound that that he's harnessed very well into very different sounding EPs. One of them is Jago.
Yeah.
If you were trying to get into Lifafa, definitely start with Jago.
Yes.